Approved is a complete digital artificial-based medical diagnosis, including mobile applications and web-based solution, capable to integrate with different hospital information system. Approved is powered with process management experience to diagnose perfectly 11,000 of ICD-10 AM. Why to use Approved solution? Complete clear high-quality request. No rejections, no need more details, full approval for all services, from the first time and every time, decrease the turnaround time, increase patient satisfaction, decrease expenses, maximum benefits from investigations, proper codes selection, admission criteria for every disease, triggers of progress notes, best operations, treatment notes, insurance notes. This is not all. Let's see the advantages of Approved app. Decrease expenses. No need for any coders. Reduce numbers of approval officers. No need for any approval doctors. No need for any medical auditors. Decrease rejections. Medical, almost zero. Technical. Increase request. Triggers of admission criteria. Triggers of progress notes. High-value operations. Maximum benefits from investigations. Increase reputation. No disapproved. No need more details. Complete, clear, high-quality request. How the app works. Mention the first symptom. List the most frequent symptoms repeating with the selected first symptom. List diagnosis includes this symptom. Select more symptoms. More filtering of diagnosis. More filtering of diagnosis. Set the final diagnosis. First story. Symptom selection similar to Google search feature. The physician will write the chief complaint, then start symptom selection, considering the patient gender and age. Second story. Recommended diagnosis. The physician will select the related ICD-10 codes related to the previous symptoms, considering the patient gender and age. Third story. Select investigations and services. The physician will select the related services versus the selected list of ICD-10, considering the patient gender and age. As you see, we can search by a method of 5 methods. First method, we can search by disease name. For example, if we select diabetes, there are 67 diseases of diabetes. If we select non-insulin-dependent diabetes, first thing, we can see the code of the disease, E11, and the disease type, this chronic illness. After that, we can see complete clinical manifestations and all admission criteria when we can admit the patient. And after admitting the patient, we can extend the patient for more days. These are disease triggers progress notes. After that, we can see the most important differential diagnosis and the treatment notes and the most important thing insurance notes. For example, for this disease, first insurance note that we can request hemoglobin AIC every 3 months if the diabetes is controlled, and we can request glucometer every 1 year. Also, we can request Ozempic or its alternative monthly. Another example, we can search by disease, clinical manifestations. For example, we can write here diarrhea. As you see, diarrhea is found in 419 diseases. If we add vomiting, diarrhea plus vomiting are found in 189 diseases. After that, we can add fever, we can add headache, we can add cramp. When we add more clinical manifestations, the list will be smaller. If we select one disease, for example, we can read the complete data about the disease. It is diarrhea and a gastroenteritis of infectious origin. It is the code of the disease and disease type. It is general, which means infectious disease. Disease clinical manifestations, admission criteria after that, progress notes, and the most important differential diagnosis, and investigations and ACHI codes of investigations and treatment notes.